Voters in Rajasthan haven't elected the same party to power for 2 terms in a row for the past 2 decades. And the exit polls seem to be predicting the continuance of the trend in these assembly elections. A party needs 100 seats to form the government in Rajasthan. Elections were held on 199 seats only. No polls took place on 1 seat because a candidate died. The BJP, led by Vasundhara Raje Scindia, won a staggering 163 of the 200 seats in the 2013 elections. This time, pollsters are predicting that even crossing the 100-seat mark might be problematic for the Saffron party in Rajasthan. The CVOTER-Republic TV poll predicts 52 to 68 seats for the BJP, 129 to 145 seats for the Congress, and 5 to 11 seats for other parties. The CNX-Times Now survey is a little more favourable. It predicts 85 seats for BJP, 105 for the Congress and 9 for others. The India TV poll gives 80 to 90 seats to the BJP, 100 to 110 seats to the Congress and the rest to others. CSDS ABP News has also predicted a majority for the Congress with 101 seats. It gives 83 seats to the Saffron party and gives 15 to others. The Axis My India and India Today poll similarly gives 119 to 141 seats to the Congress, 55 to 72 seats to the BJP and 4 to 11 seats to others. Exit polls are not always known to be accurate. But if the numbers hold, it could spell a spectacular comeback for the Congress, which managed only 21 seats in the 2013 state assembly elections in Rajasthan.